Meaning of elephantiasis.
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 Elephantiasis. Elephantiasis is a condition characterized by the thickening and enlargement of the skin and underlying tissues, typically in the legs, arms, or genitals. It is caused by parasitic worms transmitted to humans through mosquito bites. The worms block the lymphatic vessels, leading to a buildup of fluid and swelling. Over time, the skin becomes thickened and hard, resembling an elephant's skin. The swelling can become so severe that it can lead to disability, social isolation, and depression. There is no cure for elephantiasis, but treatment can manage symptoms and prevent complications.